Out-of-control wildfires ripped through Los Angeles on Wednesday, killing several people and forcing tens of thousands to evacuate.
The LA County Fire Department was prepared for one or two major brush fires, but not four, especially given these sustained winds and low humidities.
The 4 fires stretched across tens of thousands of acres and were uncontained as of Wednesday evening. Officials said that the Palisades fire, the largest of the 4, had destroyed at least 1,000 structures so far.
We gotta go!
Once my boys got up to the house, we started watering everything down. All of our neighbors had evacuated and they wanted us to get out of there, but we fought the best we could and thought, that we saturated everything well enough that we would be exempt from that, but that wasn't the case. We did evacuate. We got what we could out of the house, but again, Mother Nature was just too intense. The way that the wind was blowing and blowing embers and things like that, again, just absolutely nobody was exempt.
Fire engines are pouring in to try to protect the coastline. I'm sorry, I can't keep doing this.
Dry vegetation and strong winds pushed the flames into populated areas, including the affluent Pacific Palisades neighborhood. Evacuation orders were issued for several areas, including part of densely populated Santa Monica. California Governor Gavin Newsom declared a state of emergency on Tuesday. More than 1,400 personnel are battling the fires alongside first responders from other agencies.
The number of structures that are destroyed, not a few, many structures already destroyed, and the fact that people were still not evacuated, still did not heed the warning, were just coming down the canyon, is a reminder of how serious this moment is.
What's unusual about these fires is the timing. January is typically the rainy season, dampening the chances for wildfires until the spring. Powerful winds, with gusts up to 70 miles per hour in some places, were expected to continue battering much of Los Angeles and Ventura counties into Thursday.
I saw just utter devastation. There may be a random house here and there, but just unrecognizable.